don't stop believing. Tequila's what we'll blame it on. If I wake up in some strange place with a hating life hangover, my keys and all my dignity gone, we get thrown out the bar, get a neon scar or a bad tattoo. Hell, tequila's what we'll blame it on. 'Cause when the world gets a little too crazy, gotta have some crazy of your own. If we need an alibi for doing something wrong, tequila's what we'll blame it on. Last time I spent this much time, my salt and sweet got it. I found my ex's number in my phone. So if she wakes up to that straight out of the blue I love you message, tequila's what we'll blame it on. 'Cause when the world gets a little too crazy, you gotta have some crazy of your own. If we need an alibi for doing something wrong, tequila's what we'll blame it on. So if your soul needs some reality amnesia, 'cause you deserved a break for way too long, yeah, tonight you can ride the bull, go meet a stranger and get hitched out in Vegas, and tequila's all we'll blame it on. 'Cause when the world gets a little too crazy, gotta have some crazy of your own. If we need an alibi for doing something wrong, tequila's what we'll blame it on. If we need an alibi for doing something wrong, tequila's what we'll blame it on. Yeah, pass that ball over here, brother. Yeah, you gotta blame it on something. Someone of those. Yeah, pass me another shot of that. I don't need no slow wine. Tequila.
Let's learn Blame the Tequila. It's choreographed by Glynn Rodgers. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner improver level line dance with 1 restart on wall 4 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about our restart and practice it, and then go around and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice where that restart happens and hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Blame the Tequila. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the side. You're going to bring your left foot in and next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do a quarter turning chassé, stepping our right foot to the side, left together. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward to your right to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to step our left foot forward, and we're going to make a quarter pivot over our right shoulder, putting our weight onto our right foot, and you're going to cross your left over your right and clap twice. So let's try that with some counts. Stepping our right foot to the side, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to bring your left foot in and next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do a right side chassé, stepping our right foot to the side, left together, right side. We're now going to cross rock our left over our right, recover back onto your right foot, and we're going to do a quarter chassé over our left shoulder. We're going to step our left foot to the side, right together, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left. You'll be back at 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our cross and our 2 claps, weights on your left foot, stepping that right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 walks forward, stepping right and stepping left. We're now going to do a right rocking chair, rocking our right foot forward, recover back on your left, rock your right foot back, recover forward on your left. We're now going to step forward with our right foot, and you're going to scuff your left heel on the ground slightly up. And when you do it, you want it to start crossing over your right to help with the next part. So let's try that with some counts. We're doing our walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do back traveling jazz boxes. So we're going to cross our left over our right, step our right foot back, step your left foot back. We're now going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot back, step your right foot back. We're now going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross our left over our right, right foot to the side, left over right, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that part with some counts. We would have just scuffed our heel, we're crossing over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. End of dance. So now let's face the front wall. We're going to do it all the way through, one time with steps, one time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're stepping our right foot to the side, side together, quarter chasse, step, quarter pivot, cross and clap, side together, side chasse, cross rock, recover, quarter chasse. Now walk, walk and rocking chair, step scuff, traveling jazz boxes, cross, back, back, cross, back, back, left, crossing shuffle. Let's do it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, we're stepping our right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, wall 4 is our restart wall. You're going to dance 16 counts of the dance. So let's dance up to that point just so you know where it happens. We're stepping our right foot to the side, side together, quarter chasse, step, quarter pivot, cross and clap, side together, side chasse, cross rock, recover, shuffle forward, making that quarter turn. You'll be back at 12 o'clock, ready to start the next wall with your side together. So you don't have to worry about the walls switching. You would start at your 4 o'clock wall, restart where your 5 o'clock wall would have been anyways. So now let's go around. We're going to do 5 walls of the dance. We're going to alternate between steps and counts. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we will do counts. Weights on that left foot, you're stepping your right foot to the side. Side together, quarter chasse, step, quarter pivot, cross and clap. Side together, side chasse, cross rock, recover, quarter chasse, forward. Walk, walk, rocking chair, step scuff, cross back, back, cross back, back, cross back, back, crossing shuffle, side together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side together, quarter shuffle. Step, quarter pivot, cross and clap. Side together, side chasse. Cross rock, recover, quarter chasse, walk, walk. Walk, walk, rocking chair. Step scuff. Cross back, back. Cross back, back. Cross back, back. Crossing shuffle. 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart. Side together, quarter chasse, step, quarter pivot, cross and clap. Side together, side chasse, cross rock, recover, quarter chasse. Now walk, walk in, rocking chair, step scuff. Now cross back, back, cross back, back, cross back, back, crossing shuffle. And then you would keep on dancing all the way through. I hope this helps you learn Blame the Tequila. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.